Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be reviewing another product and this time it's from MISSHA. It's the MISSHA Magic Cushion Cover Lasting in the shade number 21. This is my first time using a cushion, so if you'd like to find out what happened and what my thoughts are on this product, just stay tuned. This will be my first time using it. I just opened it before to test out the product to see the shade. So let me read to you the description of the product from their website. The MISSHA Magic Cushion Cover Lasting. It gives you long-lasting magic cushion with fresh texture that helps to make luminous complexion with small amounts. So I think a little goes a long way. And then additional product information, magical covering. It helps to erase skin blemishes clearly with Magic Fit powder. It has outstanding and long-lasting, which gives you the look that you just wore makeup without darkening by long wearing formula. So I'm guessing it doesn't oxidize, so let's see. And then there's no dryness because of the botanical extract, which delivers refreshing moisture to your skin and gives smooth finish without dryness. Well, the botanical extract, it says here, is the calendula flower extract, eucalyptus leaf extract, and a peppermint extract. There are two shades color, number 21 and number 23. So number 21 is the natural light beige, while the number 23 is the natural medium beige. I got the shade number 21 because I think that matches my skin. We'll see that later on. All you just have to do is to take the appropriate amount on the puff and pat lightly over the face. So let's do that. Anyway, it comes with this box. It's sad to say that it's in Korean. There are no English translation. Yeah. So this is the compact MISSHA. It says MISSHA here. When you open it, it has a mirror, the puff, and then there's the cushion. So let's go ahead and try this out. This will be just a quick application because I am going out. So we'll see. Okay, so let's just pat lightly. I'm gonna be covering the right side of my face first. It has a very mild scent, but let's see if it's gonna linger later on after application. As you can see, this is the difference. This is the one without and this is with the cushion. So let me see. Let me just get a few more dab and then cover the redness. There. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on the left side of my face. I like how it glides on my face. The puff is so smooth and soft. I'm gonna put some on my neck as well. I noticed that it brightens my face. Not that because the color or the shade is lighter than my skin tone, but I like the dewiness and the brightness that it gives on my skin. See the glow? I like that dewy finish. Let's see if it's gonna oil up later. There, I think that's enough. Yeah. Okay, so as you notice, it covered a little bit of the redness here on my chin. You can add some more. Let's try. Oops. So you just have to blend that well. Yeah. So this product is buildable. You can really cover the dark areas or the red areas on your face. And then just properly blend it in. There. See? Okay. So now the feel after the application. Let's see. It's not sticky at all. Yeah. But since this is a cushion and my skin is oily, I'm gonna be finishing off with a powder, just a light powder, to mattify my face, just in case, because I don't want oily face. But yeah, so there. It's very light, feels nothing on my skin. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline powder compact and just lightly brush it on my skin. Yeah, so I like my look. It's very fresh and natural. So I'm gonna be applying blush on my skin. It's from Earth and Eve. This is the shade. I forgot the shade because the shade is not indicated in this spot. But anyways, I'm gonna be applying this blush, cream blush. Just a little amount, just to give that natural flush on my cheeks. There. Okay, so as I apply my cream blush, the cushion or the foundation did not move at all because I see that it's intact. It's still intact here in my skin, as you can see. There. And then I'm gonna be applying the Easy & Co multi-use crayon in the shade Rosewood. Just a light amount of color on my lips. There. Okay, so that's my final look before I go out. And I'm gonna give you some check-ins later on to see if I oiled up or something, or if it creases on some areas of my skin. But this is how it looks like after the application. And right now it is 10:21. How it looks like on my face on natural light. As you can see, it really looks natural. It gives you that dewy, glowy finish here, especially on the cheek area, and I love it. It's just so fresh. Okay, so I'm gonna update you later on what happened.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, I'm back after 2 hours. It's now 12:30. I just had my lunch, and as you can see, the foundation is still here, although I oiled up a bit here on the sides of my nose. The glow is still there, it still looks natural and fresh. So we'll see how long it will last. I will take a nap after this, so I'll be back later. Hi Guys, it's now 3 o'clock. It's about 4.5 hours that the cushion is on my face, and as you can see, I still have that cushion left on my face. Some had disappeared here on this area, and I still have that glow. I'm loving it. That glass skin is still there. I did not blot. Yes, I am a little bit oily, but it's still pretty decent, right? So I'm gonna keep this cushion on my face a little longer, and we'll see what will happen next.
Many hours later.
I'm back, guys. So this is my final update. Right now it's 5 o'clock. So it's about 7 hours that the cushion is on my face. As you can see, I am oily right now. It's shining all over my face. So let's go ahead and blot. Let's check out the oil that I have on my face there. Yes, I am oily, I told you. But after I blot, I will go ahead and try to retouch. Let's see if it's okay to retouch after long hours of application. Okay, so here's the oil that I got. I'm not sure if you can see that there. So that's the oil that I got on my face. I'm ready to retouch. There, so after retouch, this is the look. I like it. It's not cakey at all. So let me give to you my final verdict on this product. You know, I really like it, especially it conceals the blemishes. It covers from light to medium coverage, and then not to mention that it gives you the skin benefits with an SPF 50 plus PA+++. So you see, that's a lot of plus and protection from the sun or the UV rays. Also, it gives you that dewy glow. Look at that. As you can see, it gives me that glass finish. So I really like that. And then it's long lasting. It doesn't oxidize. As you can see earlier, it did not darken my face. It even brightened up my face, and I love it. Actually, this is the second product that I have from MISSHA. The first one that I have is the M Perfect Cover BB Cream, but this one has SPF 42 PA+++, so it's a little bit lower, but it has the same shade, number 21. Let me know, guys, if you want me to do a side-by-side comparison of this two. You can get this MISSHA Magic Cushion Cover Lasting at Beauty MNL for 1,200. So yeah, I recommend it. Really recommend it to you guys. So please do try it out. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something from me today. And actually, this is not a new product at all. It has been launched years ago, but this is the first time that I tried the cushion. So if you have any questions, comments, or any suggestions, feel free to leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to all of your friends so we can help others. Thank you very much. See you in our next videos. Bye!